Hey guys, Osan here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Telesin magnetic neck holder. So let's just dive into it. We open the box and we don't have much in the box itself. We just have the holder itself. We get a lanyard. We have a small user guide and we have this sticky ring just in case your phone or your case is not compatible with MagSafe or magnetic rings like this. You get this one for free. There's a tape, you just remove the sticker and put it on the back of your case and your device will become compatible with the neck holder itself. And you get this wet wipe and a microfiber to clean the backside of your device or the case to stick the ring on it. Now, back to the holder itself. First impressions, it is quite hefty. There's a good weight to it, is what I mean. And this neck piece here is quite malleable. I really like how it feels in my hand as well. The outer cover is silicone, I think, and it is really soft. And one thing, at the back, there's this section where it is silicone as well, and it is like a cushion. So when it is on your chest and it is sitting on your chest, it is not going to disturb you. It's going to be quite comfortable even if you keep this on your neck for a long while, I think. So let's see. If I can put this on my head like this, is it going to work? Yes, it does. But obviously you don't have to do this. I was just being silly. There's a button on the side. You just click, and if you do the right side, it just comes off very easily. So normally this is how you would put it in. You find the slot and it just very strongly clicks in place. Now there are three pivot points. There is one in the base and there is one in the middle like this, you can see, and the ring itself also rotates quite a lot. So you have many possibilities to adjust the angle for your POV shots, and I love that. And the base itself is quite sturdy. Now, a couple of things. I really like the quality, as I said, but also this can be a quite versatile thing. It doesn't have to be just a neck holder. So when you have your device on it, you can actually just place it, and this can be just like a small short tripod as well. Maybe even you can use it like a bit higher like this, and this would still be stable enough with different angles. I don't know. So you would have to try and play with it. But as you can see, this is quite malleable. But once it's in place and you have the weight of your phone on it, you can find the right angle, I think. But there are at least two possibilities of using it as a neck holder and as a tripod as well. And the third one might be if you squeeze it like this and you have your phone and it is all the way up like this, it can be like a selfie stick, you know. It it will take shape if you shake it like this, but if you're just holding it from the middle, and it gives you some extension, and I think it is when you need it, it can be a good option as well. Maybe you can twist it and it is more sturdy. Yeah, maybe. So anyways, you can play around with it and you can find different ways of using it. I really like how it feels. There's not much to say. This is not a very intricate product, but I like how this comes off very easily and how strongly it connects. Like you cannot really take it apart. It's really nice. You really need to use the button to just take it off and put it back. I really like it. So thank you, Telesin, for sending this to me. I'll be using this maybe for some of the unboxing videos of the other products because I got two more products from Telesin. Thanks for listening to me. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Take care and cheers, guys.